The poet says that there is no benefit of consoling the boy by saying that he will get another ball because he has other balls too. He says so because the boy is feeling very sad. He is completely surrounded by sorrow. He is sad because all the memories of the childhood days went down the harbor with the ball. Here the poet says that the boy is very sad as the ball, which has now gone into the water, reminds him of those sweet memories of the time when he owned his. This loss is unbearable for him and he is grief stricken. The poet says that he can't even tell the boy to take some money from him. Take some money from him and buy another ball. He says so because the new ball will not bring sense of belonging to the boy because it's worthless. Further, the poet says that the time has come for the boy to lean the responsibility of taking care of his things. Means he's become grown up now. The literary devices used is repetition, use of word ball. In word of possession, people will. In word, then further, let's see. In a world of possession, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always. Little boy. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of loss, how to stand up knowing whatever man must one day know, and most know now many days how to stand up. Possession is ownership, external is here, things which feel are not attached. Desperate is hopeless. Epistemology, Greek word episteme means knowledge. Here the poet says that the boy, in these words the poet saying that the boy has to learn that in this materialistic world many of his belonging will be lost. He personifies the ball as his belonging, be it the worldly thing or the relationship he is in possession of. So he says that he has to learn to live without them, no matter what he says. No one can buy back such things for him. The poet said so because according to him money can't buy you everything. If it does buy you some materialistic thing, still it will not be able to buy the sense of belongingness. He says that the boy is learning how to stand up against the sense of lost thing. This means that the boy is trying to learn the real truth of life. States that you have to accept the miseries of life and stand up again. This is the truth which everyone has to learn. External things तो छोड़ना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को. Everyone has to learn for his new life the harsh truth of standing up against the old miseries of life that everyone has to bear. लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस जो यूज़ हुए हैं इसमें बी वर्ड का बहुत इस्तेमाल किया गया. तो ऑल्टरेशन का इस्तेमाल हुआ है, ठीक है. रिपीटिशन है बॉल वर्ड का. राइम स्कीम है, देयर इज़ नो राइम स्कीम फॉलोड इन द पोएम. पूरी पोएम में कहीं भी कोई राइम स्कीम ऐसी खास नहीं मिलती. So he is epistemology. So like this the poem ends and we have to be over with the materialistic world and we should go into the real world.